Decoding generative AI, unleashing the power of artificial creativity. Have you ever wondered how machines can generate their own unique content? This is where generative AI comes into play, pushing the boundaries of what machines can accomplish. Generative AI involves the use of complex algorithms and neural networks that enable machines to learn patterns and create new content from scratch. It's like a digital artist that can analyze existing data and generate entirely new and original outputs based on that understanding. Whether it's crafting music, writing stories, designing images, or even developing entirely new ideas. Generative AI has the ability to create in versatile and unprecedented ways. But how does it work? The process starts with training the generative AI system with vast amounts of data, allowing it to understand the patterns and characteristics of the desired output. Once trained, the system can generate new content by improvising and combining patterns it has learned. The applications of generative AI are vast and varied, with potential in industries such as music, art, design, and more. Researchers and innovators around the world are constantly exploring new frontiers for generative AI, unlocking the power of artificial creativity. Generative AI is revolutionizing how we think about innovation, challenging conventional ideas of what machines can achieve. So next time you marvel at a piece of music, a painting, or a story that seemingly came from nowhere, remember, it just might be the incredible work of generative AI. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.